Are you looking for the best furniture touch-up markers? Here we will break down the top 5 best furniture touch-up markers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Katzco Furniture Repair Kit Wood Markers. This furniture marker and wax kit are all you need to make small touch-ups on damaged furniture. It comes with 6 repair markers with different colors and 6 wax sticks that you can use to fill up those deeper gouges. It even comes with a wax stick sharpener to keep the tip of the wax stick sharp. The various color options for the markers are very useful. It's inevitable that you might find the colors too dark and too light, which is why you need to test it first on a small obscure spot. Don't worry though, because the formulation of the ink is blendable. You can mix 2 different colors to get the color that matches your furniture. Apply the first color first and then blot it out with the cloth. Immediately apply the second color to get the shade you want. The ink is very intense, so I would suggest being light-handed when applying this. Because of the inconsistency, this can also be applied as a fresh coating to the furniture's entire surface. If you want to change the shade of your wood furniture, that can be done with these markers. One marker contains a lot of ink, and that is why it lasts for a long time. If you apply it all over the furniture to change its finish, try applying it and then spreading it out with a brush or soft cloth. The markers are so easy to use. Just open the cap and start applying. Mixing different colors is fairly easy as well. I like that it doesn't emit a strong odor. There are some ink finishes that tend to emit a chemical kind of smell that can be annoying. It also dries up easily so that there is no mess left behind. You still need to dry it up, but so far, it doesn't get streaky and bleed on everything. At number 2. Ram Pro Furniture Touch-Up Markers. Here comes the best wood touch-up markers for your vintage furniture. Pam Pro Touch-Up Marker is straightforward to use even for beginners. All you need to do is retouch by drawing over scratches and discoloration, and keep a watch as they disappear. In just a minute or so, your furniture is new all over again with a permanent restoration. Ram Pro Furniture Marker comes with a complete kit. Therefore, you do not have to buy any additional equipment for a perfect service. It has a sizable felt-tip furniture marker and premium wax stick kit with a unique stain to match wood finishes. I prefer using these furniture repair pens because of the advantages that they bring. It covers the blemishes on the wood effortlessly to achieve a stunning new look. Another good reason why you should consider getting yourself a Ram Pro marker is the multiple colors that come to fulfill different tastes and preferences. With the 6 sizable felt-tip touch-up markers and 6 covered-up wax crayons, you will never miss a shade that suits your taste. The unique wood shades include walnut, mahogany, oak, maple, and cherry. On the downside, this wood repair pen has a thick tip that is unsuitable for some scratches. You need to keep sharpening the tip to achieve better results. The color options are also limited. At number 3. Rejuvenate Furniture and Repair Markers. If you want your furniture to stand out, what you need is a set of this wood touch-up paint. It comes to fit different shades of your wood, including maple, oak, walnut, cherry, espresso, and mahogany. The touch-up paint pen for furniture is effective in eliminating scuffs and scratches to give you a quality service before adding luster and shine. Experts and beginners experience an easy time repairing furniture with this touch-up paint pen. You just need to apply it to the damaged areas with the exact matching colors to give a perfect outcome. Remove the excess pigment with a clean towel to facilitate proper drying after the operation. Moreover, you can also use it to laminate your floor and apply it to damaged hardwood. For an excellent kitchen restoration, Rejuvenate new improved colors wood furniture makes sure you are comfortable in your environment. Start your blend with light colors and later blend in darker shades to suit your requirements. The process is simple, you can handle everything by yourself. It is a worth-to-try item for a beautiful home. To talk about the disadvantages, the product offers fewer color options to choose from. Also, prepare to dish out money for the importation costs. At number 4. Weiman Wood Touch-Up Markers. Do you need to revert your furniture to its original look? If yes, consider trying this furniture scratch repair kit. Weiman Wood Repair comes with several colors to fit your furniture repair needs. These shades include dark brown, light brown, medium brown, and black colors to match with your furniture finish. With the complete package, you have everything that you need for the process. The details include 4 filler crayons and a sharpener for perfect daily touch and restoration of your surfaces. It is the most convenient wood floor marker that makes your furniture life much sweeter and enjoyable. In truth, users face no difficulty while preparing and applying this product on their furniture. You do not need any new skills to work on your furniture's damages. The available sharpener allows you to have an active service of the wax all the time. Weiman Wood Floor Touch-Up Pen is suitable for your wooden furniture, floors, cabinets, frames, veneer, and bedposts. In case you have a problem with the bright exterior, you need to struggle no more. The product is suitable for reducing the bright lights. However, the wood marker has fewer color options that limit your selection. In case you are not satisfied with the product, do not expect any refund. At number 5. Katzco Furniture Touch-Up Markers. All you need at home is the right furniture setup and hardwoods that will serve you for the longest time possible. For this to happen, you have to repair your furniture with the help of a wood scratch pen. Katzco Furniture Touch-Up Marker is one of the best furniture repair markers you should have for perfect furniture restoration. The furniture pen has 5 unique and innovative shades to make scratches and nicks disappear. It also includes a variety of finishes for wood colors such as light oak, dark oak, walnut, cherry, and natural to match your color desires. These shades give your furniture a brand new look. What this product does is to restore the wood and refinish worn-out spots and scratches on furniture. It is easy and friendly to use for both pros and newbies. All you need to do is draw over the nick or the discoloration and watch it dry off instantly. The product has an excellent flow, and therefore you can use it at any angle. Katzco Furniture Touch-Up Pen helps you repair your cabinets and floors within seconds. The blemishes and imperfections disappear right after it dries up. All the same, there are not so many colors for this product. It is also suitable for sharp edges repairs specifically.